Silica from Key to Life Supply. First of all, what is silica exactly? Well, silica is a compound found commonly on Earth, primarily major components found in sand. So how can this substance that makes up things like sand actually be good for our garden life? Silica is super nutrient friendly, meaning it won't mess with any of your added nutrients, fertilizers, or supplements. Primarily, silica acts as a plant's natural protector, an overall immunity booster, maximizing thickness and rigidity to resist pesky pests and disease, and overall increasing resilience and resistance towards things like drought, heat, or any other harsh environmental elements that the plant might come up against. Silica is your #1 go-to in order to maximize your garden's natural defense system and put both your mind and your garden's life at ease. For more natural products and gardening supplies, check us out only at keytolifesupply.com.